Hey, it's Chandler from Dittofeed, a flexible open source ClayView alternative. Subscribe to the channel for messaging tutorials and product updates. Today we're checking out what a wait for node is and how to use it in a journey. The concept is relatively simple. At any point in your journey mapping, you can add a wait for node to wait for a user to satisfy a segment's conditions within a specified period of time. If a user doesn't satisfy the conditions within the allotted time frame, they progress down the timeout branch of the wait for node. And if they do satisfy the conditions, they progress down the other branch, the in-segment branch. So let's consider a situation where you want to message new users who haven't completed their profile in your app after 2 weeks. We can create a segment called new users. So let's go to segments, create segment, and I'll name this new users. We'll select user performed, and the event name will be sign up. And we'll leave this as is here, and we'll add a time window of 30 minutes. Click save. And now let's make a new segment and call it completed profile. We'll add a performed event called saved profile and set this to exactly 1. Click save. And now if we head to journeys, we can create a new journey. Let's add the new users segment to the entry node. Then we'll drag in a wait for node just below that and set the timeout to 2 weeks. And we'll add our completed profile segment. In this timeout branch here, we'll drag in a message node, and we'll add a steps to complete your profile template, and this will be an email. The in segment branch here we'll leave without a message in it. So now a user will enter the journey if they signed up for your app. And then the journey will wait 2 weeks from sign up for the user to complete their profile. If the user completes the action, they receive no message. But if they don't complete the action, they receive a helpful email reminder to do so. And there you have it. That's the wait for node in a nutshell. Try it out. Sign up for Dittofeed Cloud in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. Thanks.